Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to the webinar 101 Guide to Anything Tech on AI today. My name is Amber. I'm from the Smart Nation and Digital Government Office. So today's webinar is brought to you by the Smart Nation and Digital Government Office and the School of Continuing and Lifelong Education NUS under the Smart Nation Together channel, which is an online learning platform featuring tech-related talks for kids, working adults, and seniors. So if you'd like to receive updates on our upcoming program under the Smart Nation Together channel, please subscribe to our Telegram, which is now on your screen. Okay, so today's session will be from 12:30 to 1:15, and the session will be recorded. So we are very happy here to have Dr. Amir Monajemi, who is a senior lecturer at AI and Data Science with the School of Continuing and Lifelong Education Skill at the National University of Singapore. So we would like to make this session as engaging as possible. Please feel free to ask questions throughout through the Q&A function, which is at the bottom of your screen, and Dr. Amir will address them at the end of the session. So without further ado, I would like to hand over to Dr. Amir for his presentation. So Dr. Amir, over to you, please.
Okay, thanks a lot. Good afternoon, everybody. Amir is here. Without wasting any time, allow me to share my screen and start with the slides of this webinar. Actually, the title of this webinar, as you may know, is how I learned to stop worrying and love the artificial intelligence and machine learning, or simply your 101 guide to AI and machine learning. My name is Amirhassan Monajemi, and I'm with the School of Continuing and Lifelong Education at NUS. I borrowed this first title from Stanley Kubrick's famous movie, Dr. Strangelove. So what I'm going to do today is very briefly introduce AI and machine learning to you and show you some applications and the state of the art of AI and machine learning. And my main objective during this very brief introduction is demystifying these topics to you and show you the role that they are going to play in the future of our daily life and businesses and the way that we conduct our duties and some stuff like that. A bit about me. I'm a senior lecturer with Scale. Now, before that, I was a professor of AI and machine learning at University of Isfahan in Iran. I have taught these courses, AI, machine learning, data analytics, and those courses either in Iran or in Singapore, mostly to adult learners. And also, I have got some papers in these fields as well. Um, Synopsis of the today presentation, we will briefly review the history of civilization and technology, because AI is the last trend or paradigm in the history of technology. And then we will introduce AI and machine learning, a very um, a basic definition of these two disruptive technologies or disruptive topics. Then we will show you some applications. We will talk about some applications of AI and machine learning and state-of-the-art examples of businesses and products who have used AI and machine learning, and a bit about the future of these two trends. And later, I will be happy to answer your possible questions. Let's move ahead with a brief history of technology. We started from here, grandparents of human. Then we invented the fire. Then wheels, very important for us. We can carry uh, many things. Then writing and scripts. Then philosophy, in Greece and old China some 2,500 years ago. Next, mathematics, algebra, geometry, etc. And then we managed to develop the first steam engine, and mass production of steel means beginning of the second industrial revolution. Then electricity and electronics, those posh ladies of 100 years ago with their radio, and then digital computers. And then after a few decades of using digital computers, we started digitalization and using robots and the third industrial revolution, and then emerge of AI, that I believe means the fourth and the next industrial revolution. And now, just as an example, after all of these tries, after fire wheels, digital computers, now AI and machine learning, what they can do for us. What is the meaning of having a business or a lifestyle captured or driven by AI and machine learning? Just have a look at these two final photos to realize what is the situation now. Over here, this gentleman is Lee Sedol, the world champion of Go board game. And in 2016, a few years ago, AlphaGo machine learning program developed by Google defeated him decisively. The results of that match between AlphaGo, a deep learning algorithm, a deep learning computer program, and Lee, as the world champion, was 4-1 in favor of the AlphaGo. Much more decisive than the results of the first time that computers managed to defeat the world chess champion. That happened in 1997, some 23 years ago, when IBM Deep Blue managed to beat Garry Kasparov, but the results at that time was 3.5 to 2.5. Not a very decisive defeat, but here 4-1. And again, have a look at her. This young lady, what's her name and what's her role in AI? Actually, she's nobody. This is a realistic photo generated by an AI algorithm called GAN, a sort of deep neural network that can have many photos of different people. Over here, girls, and then it will generate realistic fake photos for you, something like this. So this is an AI generated portrait, and this is an AI one um, board game. Both shows we are at the beginning of a new paradigm, a new shift in technology, or the fourth industrial revolution. Of course, in this fourth industrial revolution, there are some other players involved, such as IoT and digitalization, etc. But AI and machine learning are over there. They are key factors of this new wave of technology as well. Next, let's talk about the definition of AI and machine learning. Over here in the field of AI, we are going to talk about machines that can think, machines that can behave like human beings, machines that can successfully do what so far only human operators could have carried out. Or in the field of machine learning, we are going to talk about machines that can learn, machines that can gradually improve their performance, and they can learn from data, from experiences, and from expert, and then they can explore the new environment. They can carry out new tasks and machines that more or less look like human and behave like human beings. This is the general meaning of AI and machine learning. Machines that can think and behave like us, machines that can learn and get into the new jobs and new environment. Next, in this diagram, I'm going to show you some branches of AI. AI is a general term. Machine learning is a subset in AI, and deep learning these days very famous is a subset of machine learning. On the other hand, we have got another disruptive technology. This disruptive technology is data science, data analytics, and data mining. Again, data science is the field of study, a general term, the bigger set, and then data analytics is a subset of data science, and data mining is a subset of data analytics. And over here, between these two disruptive technologies, we can find some strong correlation. Algorithms used for data analytics are mostly machine learning algorithms, and the data that in AI and machine learning and deep learning are very important, and actually the raw material to materialize AI systems, to make AI systems implementation possible, will come from data science. We need data and knowledge in AI and machine learning. We get that from data science, and in data science they need algorithms and method, mostly machine learning algorithm, and we provide them with such algorithms. Again, about the applications. Now in 2020, what are the applications of AI? AI can change your way of business. Using AI, every day we can see less spam emails in our inbox. Using AI, you can see that over here we can have some automatic translators from English to Chinese, from Chinese to any language. We will have smart cities thanks to AI and machine learning. And we can have decision support systems and decision makers based on AI that will help in strategic planning, strategic machine learning, up to the personal level and simple decisions that you make every day in your daily life. Even on that very detailed level, AI can help you, machine learning can help you in decision making. And we can use them for prediction. Let's review the list. In your daily life, smart search engine and translators. For your safety, we may have a better authentication and identification system. We may try to develop, of course, we have developed this system, but the usage would be more widely than today. Those systems are systems that can detect abnormal behavior. We can have AI for car safety, having safer houses, for in health sector, for AI-based medical diagnostic, for genomics and processing of genes, for prescription. In your business, customer insight done by machine learning is very important. Smart marketing, social media analysis, and AI-driven decision support systems are key players of today and tomorrow's businesses. In technology, we have got robots, driverless car, pilotless drones, optimal manufacturing, customized production and manufacturing. And in the world, AI means bit of help in global warming challenges, anti-terrorism acts using AI algorithms, and AI-assisted sustainable development, which is very important. Briefly, where to use AI and machine learning. Over here, you can see in this diagram where the environment is not predictable. For text processing, for image and video processing, for speech and audio processing, to control agents and robots, to control a distributed, complicated system such as Industry 4 factory. When you need support for decision making, when the problem in hand is very hard to solve, in all these cases, AI and machine learning can help. And where the job is not safe for a human operator, we can ask a robot to carry out that job. And state of the art AIs of 2020. Driverless car, such as Google Waymo, such as Tesla cars, such as newly developed Amazon Prime. In this photo, you can see a concept car by Mercedes or a Tesla car. This is inside a Tesla driverless car. We have got robots since 20 years ago. Asimo, the humanoid robots developed by Sony, and later after that we have got that Aibo or Sony robotic dog. We have got Siri or Google Assistant as our intelligent, smart personal assistant, or um, Amazon develops another personal assistant, this drum-like system called um, Amazon Alexa. And then for prediction of the future, we can use AI for forecasting of natural disasters. AI and machine learning using big data, big geographical data, and environment data will help us. Uh, in the health sector, again, understanding the medical images or helping the doctors with medical images analysis and diagnostics, or having intelligent robot surgeons, or AI powered earlier cancer detection. They are all have been materialized in the field of health, in hospitals, in health research centers. In forecasting, we can use AI to predict the future of the stock market share prices. And again, apart from Sony, we have got some famous companies involved in development of advanced robots such as Boston Dynamics and or Da Vinci, which is a very famous surgeon robot. Let's move ahead to the next one. I'm going to show you some real examples of applications of AI in business. A very simple examples over here where businesses actually have used AI and have implemented AI and machine learning to improve their performance, to have better performance in business, to increase the profit and decrease the costs. One of them is Boxever. This company heavily leans on machine learning to improve the customer experience in the travel industry and deliver micro moments or experiences that delight the customers along the way of travel, from the beginning to the end of a travel, a journey, an experience, I don't know, a holiday, something like this. Using machine learning and AI, this company has dominated this branch so far, and they are going to help the customer to find new ways to engage their clients. By customer, I mean travel agencies, hotels, etc., to engage their clients in their travel journey. So they provide the services for travel agencies, for hotels, etc., to improve the travel experience for customers. And you know that during this coronavirus crisis, we need better services in travel agencies all around the world. Next example is John Paul. These are a company that shows another powerful example of potentials of AI in prediction. Prediction of what? Prediction of the needs of your clients. In what you can propose the best travel to your uh, customer, to the guy who need to travel, the best combination of means of travel, hotels, etc. They have got millions of customers all around the world, which directly or indirectly have used these services, and their main customers are companies such as Orange, Visa, and Air France. Recently, this John Paul company, which was a medium scale company, was bought by Accor chain hotels company, which is a very big one. What they do is proposing the best for your travel as a customer, the best combination of everything that you need, and customize that according to your insight using AI and machine learning. Next example of the applications of AI is just for driving safety, for car safety. Just have a look at this example. 1.35 million deaths worldwide due to vehicle crashes just in 2016 in 1 year. Injuries, no precise estimation, could be 5 to 10 times more than this. I mean, serious injuries. 2 out of 3 rate of adults will be involved in a drunk driving accident in their lifetime. Of course, in the US, the situation in Singapore is much better because people over here are mostly law abiding. But in the US, 66% of people have had experiences of drunk driving related accidents. 94% rate of accidents involved human choice or error. 94% of driving accidents, somehow human choice or error is involved. And 40% is driver fatigue or lack of attention is involved in 40% of fatal car crashes, something that you can see in this photo. So what is our solution? Waymo 1. Developed by Google and Alphabet, development of driverless car, establishment of a service for public driverless transportation system. And the next project is Waymo Waya, means establishment of the first driverless delivery, transportation, and logistic service, both at the beginning. And for for drivers drowsiness and lack of attention detection, we can use a system like Ryman. It is an intelligent driver drowsiness detection system. We mount a camera in front of the driver and we monitor his or her face, and we detect closed eyes or turned head, and we alarm to make driver aware of his situation, drowsiness, less lack of attention. And that's an example of how we can have safer roads using driverless cars. Of course, we should compare the performance and the security and safety of driverless cars with human drivers, but at least we can get sure that driverless cars are complying the rules more than the human drivers. And about this driver drowsiness detection system, the advantages and is the benefits of using that is obvious. In the future, We will have AI-driven society. We will have an AI-driven society sooner or later. We have got AI-driven businesses now, but in the future, most of businesses will be more or less AI and machine learning driven. Then we will have AI-controlled environments. We will have AI assisted education. We will have AI assisted decisions and policy making. We will have AI driven health services, and we will rely more on AI and machine learning for our safety. And the message is we should be ready for that. We should be ready for that. Just one simple thing, get ready for that. And how can we get ready for that? I believe that AI and machine learning, data analytics, and IoT will bring the next paradigm shift in our technology, in our civilization, in our way of living. And just like any paradigm, just like fire, just like wheel, just like agriculture, just like steam engine and trains. AI in general will change the lifestyle and business models, just like industrialization. It has got some advantages and disadvantages, and you should be ready to use the advantages of AI and machine learning at most, and avoid the possible disadvantages and risks that just like any paradigm AI will bring. And AI, just like any other paradigm, will encourage or force people to learn new skills. That's the point. When I said we should be ready for that, means that in many cases we need some new skills, AI related skills, AI and machine learning and data analytics related literature. And let's remember what Alvin Toffler had predicted some 40 years ago. Apart from written literature, we need to learn how to use computers. We need to learn how to use a robot, and we need to, now I'm going to add, we need to learn how to use AI and machine learning. So we need to learn new skills. And finally, just like any paradigm shift in the history of human civilization and technology, AI and machine learning will shuffle everything. Many businesses will move higher, many businesses will lose their share in the market. Many people can use the benefits of knowing about AI, and many people may see some hazards of not to know about AI enough, not to know enough about AI. Many countries will improve their situation in the world, in business, in economy, in GDP, and many countries may lose their situation in the world due to ignoring the AI and machine learning. So, finally, final word, get ready for that and learn how to use AI and machine learning in your daily life and in your business. That's it. End of a story. I managed to finish that on time. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your participation in this presentation, in this webinar.
Yeah.
I should thank the Smart Nation for this opportunity that I have been given to be with you and to present AI 101 to you. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Amir.
Take care
Dr.
and bye
Amir.
bye.
Yeah, no, we have the Q&A now, if you don't mind. We have three questions. Dr. Amir, maybe you can stay with us to
Sure,
answer the
I'm with
questions.
you. No, no,
Awesome.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm
Sure,
ready
sure.
to answer.
Okay, so maybe we will answer the first question. If you would like to
Sure.
test out AI on our own, what are the good software to start learning with?
Um, General AI and machine learning, and then realize the applications of AI for your business, for your job, uh, the way AI can help you to improve your performance, the bottlenecks in your business where AI can be helpful and useful. Focus on those points and learn how AI can help you to improve your business and learn where in your duties AI can be helpful and how to implement AI on those areas. That's a very rough idea. We need to learn about the general AI and machine learning, and then we need to focus on where AI can help us in our business and in our duties.
Okay, thank you. So the next question there is that how advanced is Singapore in terms of AI development compared to other countries?
Very good. Very good. Your situation is very good. This smart nation is a good definition of Singaporeans. Honestly, I'm not going to um say something that you like. Honestly, the situation of Singapore is very good. We have seen that the AI reskilling of workforce regarding AI, machine learning, data analytics is a serious plan all around the Singapore. We have had SSG plans, and we have had some organization inside Singapore, such as AI Singapore, such as A Star, and many business sector companies are involved in AI activities. And the situation in Singapore, along with China, the US, the UAE, you are one of the pioneers. Your situation is good. Of course, the speed is very high, the acceleration is very high. The changes will happen very fast in the field of AI and machine learning. So your situation is good, but you should continue to work on AI and machine learning. But generally, your situation is among the first 5 or 6 countries in the world in the field of AI and machine learning. My estimation.
Okay, the next question that we have, what are the career opportunities in AI and machine learning?
Um, just consider that in any businesses, you need to implement AI. So, as AI programmer and developer, as AI system designer, as people who can learn AI-based application in a business, in all of them, you have got some career opportunities. In particular, consider that in retail business, for instance, for customer insight and smart marketing, you need people who develop those systems, programmer, etc., AI developers. You need people who can use those applications as smart users who would be able to use AI applications. And again, people who are somehow entrepreneur and can find some new applications for AI. In all of this, you can expect some career opportunities.
Okay,
And analysts, analysts who can use the results provided by AI and understand them and help the businesses to improve their performances based on the AI provided results.
okay. Thank you. The next question that we have, what are the areas that AI is likely going to cover in the education sector?
In education sector,
Yep.
e-learning is more important than ever now. And in e-learning, we may expect some customized AI-driven e-learning systems. Means that AI systems that can help us to develop customized courses for different learners. Means AI can help us to develop a system that would be able to learn about the particular characteristics of a learner and help him or her to learn faster and better. Instead of having a teacher that can teach generally for 30, 40 students, or an e-learning package that everybody all around the world can use, we can ask AI to develop some customized, per learner customized uh, education and e-learning system. Again, AI can help teachers to realize the advantages and disadvantages of the learners. And AI also can help teachers in marking, in scoring, in translation of text from one language to another language, and some uh, peripheral applications such that. But mostly, to me, the most important application of AI in education is development of advanced intelligent e-learning packages, which are mostly learner driven and customized for each learner.
Okay. Thank you so much. The last question is
Sure.
what courses are there if you're interested to learn more about AI?
Okay, we have got a comprehensive package of AI courses developed at NUS scale, and I believe that my colleague Stephanie will
Stephanie will be, yeah.
describe it to you.
Mm.
But mostly we have got everything from the basic level, introduction to AI and machine learning, up to advanced levels of deep learning and advanced machine learning, and almost you can find every needed courses in the scale in the field of AI and machine learning, as well as data analytics, blockchain, and other modern technologies. But Stephanie will describe it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Amir. So now
You're
maybe it's
welcome.
time to introduce Stephanie from Skill. So maybe the stage is yours, Stephanie, to share a little bit about Skills program.
Oh, sure. I will share my slides now. Yeah. Okay. Can everyone see my slides? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Amber. So Dr. Amir is our resident instructor at the NUS School of Continuing and Lifelong Education of Skill. His research and teaching experience in AI, machine learning, machine vision, and the application have been condensed into short programs for you. So Skill was set out to support our national manpower needs with industry relevant education and training programs. We provide opportunities for the workforce to stay relevant and competitive through programs designed for working adults. So Skill draws on the multidisciplinary expertise of the NUS faculties and schools to equip the workforce with the knowledge and skills for the digital economy. From full qualification degree programs and certificates courses to short courses that are taught in 1 to 5 days, our programs are designed to meet varying needs. So on our current subject of artificial intelligence that Dr. Amir spoke about, we offer courses for both non-technical and technical roles. With AI begins with me and courses in deep learning and machine learning for those in technical roles, which are what Dr. Amir has spoke about just now. So you can, depending on your time commitment and depth of interest, there's always a cost for you. To browse our course list, you can enter the URL here or scan the QR code to see that you see on the screen now, and you will be able to access to our list of courses available. Yeah, with that, we thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you, Dr. Amir. So thanks once again for tuning in today for the 101 Guide to Anything Tech, Introduction to AI. So let us know how you think about today's session. There is a QR code on screen now. You can actually just scan the QR code that will lead you to the survey. So do take a minute to tell us how you feel about the program and how we can improve further for future programs. So once again, thanks for joining us today and have a good day ahead. Thank you.